the Paz. Julina wants to hang out with friends.
Candidate number 10, Mr. Michael Napone. He loves singing, dancing, playing instrument, and playing basketball. He is a member of a boy band, High Dreamers. Perform at Star Mall.
Once again, candidate number 10, Miss Jolina R. De Paz.
And Michael Napone.
Miss Jaylin Hart Abinyon Canabe.
Best in corporate attire.
Candidate number 10.
Yay! Michael! Top 10.
Next is candidate number 5.
High Dreamers.
Si Malika Nadon, candidate number 15. Candidate number 1. Okay, here's your question. If you will be given a chance to form an organization here in your school, what kind of an organization will you form and why?
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for that wonderful question. If I were given a chance to form a group in our school or an organization, I will form a young entrepreneur group. That the income of this group is going to help the street children. And in that case, we can also do internship while we are helping the street children. That will be all. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. CBA. Congrats.
So our Miss CBA 2015 and our Miss Culture of Excellence goes to candidate. Candidate number 11, Miss Maria Jenna